Hi. Okay. So all you do is you loosen up your terminals, and it has a little clamp, like a little C-clamp thing. And then so I just put it into there and then tighten them back up. Red is positive, black is negative. That's it to actually install it. If there's ever an electrical problem and it goes out, there's a fuse here. So that I would check that if it stops working. This is your antenna. For this one, I ended up just moving one of your cables to the side and I zip tied it to that bracket up there. It just needs to be mounted somewhere like firmly to the car.